Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today is September 2nd, Monday. We finally have the monthly candle close. We have the weekly candle close again. So we have some levels. We know where we stopped in August. Morning, Shogun, Bucur, Stefan, Kos. Well, let's close all the drawings we have and let's go on monthly. Pretty simple. This is not the best close ever here. In the same time, well, it's acceptable thinking about 50, 60k, 69. We try to accept above. We got an M. We are going sideways for the moment. We have this big candle from February. Yeah, nothing wrong with this thinking that, well, maybe we need to cool off, and at least at the week basis we can go to 45, 42k. Let's just zoom out a little bit more. You think that will be bearish overall if we'll go to 42? I don't think so. Yeah, on medium term, on lower term, if DCM will produce a result, that could be in the 40k area. But even if that will happen, you think that's bearish overall? I don't think so. It's still buy the deep kind of environment. So on the short term, I'm not saying, well, this is the bottom, let's buy here. But looking overall, I don't think we are bearish here. I just don't think we are bearish here. We can go back down at 42, but let's put the ink back. Well, 42 is a support and resistance level, and is nothing more than 50% from this range, from the 15 to 73. Nothing bad here. A 50% retracement, nothing bad. If we are thinking on weekly chart, for example, let's go on weekly. Well, 44, 45, this area, 40k area, it's just a normal support and resistance. You can see we stayed here couple of weeks, couple of months. Nothing bad with that. If you look on weekly and you see this uptrend, this uptrend trend line here, I know a lot of people like to put this one. I'm not saying it's bad, but I prefer this one. It's well respected. You can see we have 1-2 points, then well respected here. We stayed 1 month here, then we rejected here, we accepted above, we tested it, and we are testing it again. So this is the most valid trend line I could have on the long run. So I'm hoping, secretly I'm hoping for the market to go lower, to go at 44, 40k, so I'll get more altcoins, but I have to see this trend line. Yeah, I have to see this trend line, and a retest of this week low at I don't know, 54, 52 maybe, not even 52, 54 in this area. Yeah, could be enough for us to produce a W on daily, then on weekly, and push higher. Let's not be too bearish. I see a lot of people becoming bearish now. And here at the top at 69, when we rejected multiple times, they said, well, no, it's damn bullish, we'll go to 100k. Same people, well, we are bearish, we are here and we can go lower. Okay. So, for me, it's still an ugly range, even a downtrend channel, but we are at the bottom of that fucking channel. So I don't want to be extra bearish here. Okay, we can go lower. Okay, we can test 52. Let's take it level by level. But don't be extra bearish at the bottom of the channel. Don't be extra bearish at the bottom of the range. Learn. Yeah? Learn that is not a good idea. Okay. That being said, Not the best close on monthly, not the best close on weekly. More importantly, you can see here now we have these two bar candle pattern railroad tracks, not the best one. You can see another will confirm. If we'll accept a bar below, we accept it here below this level, but this is an important level, 55. You can see candle body lows. Let's see what will happen here. 55 trend line, healthy trend line here. Let's see what will happen. We'll probably test, I don't know if today, because everything is closed. It's like a long weekend, so expect more fuckery today. But tomorrow maybe we can test candle body lows. We can test this week's, not this one, these ones here. We can see 53,500. When you have something like this, don't expect an SFU of this level. Expect here a retest. Okay, that being said, we are below 60k. If you are thinking long, if you dare in this bearish environment to think long, well, wait to the market to accept above 60k, and then try to find some trend following setups. At the bottom here, I'll repeat, I'll say it like over and over again. Don't be extra bearish. Yeah, we can go lower, but selling your altcoins here is stupid. Hunting short ideas on Bitcoin here, if you are not a day trader, if you're a swing trader, not the best. Don't tell me that you are, well, I'm a swing trader and I'll take this fucking window of risk, I'll take this, yeah. Come on, guys, it's too fucking big. Playing 57 with 69, 12k, hoping in a bull market that you'll get a 1-to-1 or a 2-to-1, not the smartest decisions, honestly. That's my 2 cents. And I want to tell you over and over again. Don't be in 2024. Don't be too bearish. Yeah, we can go on short term. We can weak to the downside. We can have black swan events. We can have dark Maul candles. But zoom out, people. Zoom out in the time where we are in this fucking cycle, and you'll think a bit differently. Okay, that being said, that's Bitcoin on a weekly chart. We can go and see Ethereum on weekly. Well, I want to tell you the same story here, but no, I don't see here. We accepted below this range. We can retest this week low. Look left, we have support here, but if this support will not hold, fuck it, we need to go here below $2,000. So I'll change my mind when I'll see weekly W's. I'll take a look, Bukur. Just remember me at the end of the live stream. Morning, Christian. Yeah, Ken. The US market is closed today, so it's that ugly long weekend, Friday until Tuesday. Yeah. After that, tomorrow, maybe at the end of the week, next week, big boys will come back. Will come back and they'll put some volume in the market. Okay, so coming back here on Ethereum on weekly. Show me a weekly W and I'll be convinced. Until then, I already have here lower highs and lower lows. Sorry. Ethereum, let's be honest, is underperforming Bitcoin and everything else seems like. I'll change my mind and I'll say, okay, Ethereum is bullish again when I'll see a weekly W. We're at 50% retracement here and no W yet. Indicators, nothing good about indicators. You can see it. So I don't have any reason to think, well, 50% will hold and let's buy here or let's be bullish here. No. I need W's. Probably the best is after we accepted below 50% like we did today. First candle close below 50%. You can see here. I should expect the market to retest 61.8, maybe even lower, and form a W below $2,000. That would be a good area to think long. But maybe Ethereum it's a bit difficult. Maybe will not have the best location, but show me a weekly W. It's that simple. Okay, that's Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance. Like I said, strong and really strong. Sorry guys. I was hoping for maybe an altcoin season, but you can see what I see here. 61.8, it's at 60%. I don't see weakness in this weekly chart. Some bearish divergence here trying to form an RSI, but nothing on higher time frame. So no yams on weekly. Ethereum versus Bitcoin is telling the same story. Yeah? Ethereum underperforming Bitcoin. We are in the long reload zone. Let's wait for a W. DXY bouncing from 100 level, and total market cap looks similar with Bitcoin. Even if in short term we can or medium term we can retest this level, the support and resistance. For me, this is not a bearish pattern. Now, okay, we have some yams, we can produce 1-to-1, we can test this support, but we are in 2024. I'm not too bearish here. Similar here, total 3. I was hoping for an altcoin season in the summer. Well, seems like we had a summer without an altcoin season. And ES 500, it's at the top. I think they'll SFU when the big boys will come back. They will SFU the highs, and then they'll decide if they could keep it lower or they want to just collapse it. Now, let's see what will happen. But they'll test this high, and then they'll decide what they'll do. Not too many things to say about the overview, guys. Why? We do an overview every day. We did one yesterday even. So not too many things we can do if we review on higher time frame day in day out. So let's go on day trading part. Keep in mind today it's a stock. The US market is closed, so will be a long weekend. Expect maybe ugly volatility, but a lot of fuckery for sure. Look at the calendar for this week. Tomorrow we have news. Wednesday we have news. Thursday we have news. Friday we have news. Every day we have important news. PMI is important. Job openings important. PMI important. Non-farm payrolls important. Unemployment rate the same. So the entire week is kind of, let's not say ugly, but full of news that could move the market up and down. If someone wants to test the highs to SFU, the levels have enough reasons with the news we have. If they want to collapse the market, well, they just need bad numbers in the reports and they could collapse it. So pay attention. We cannot do too many things that, with exception of playing level by level. No, we cannot do, I don't know, reimprinted. I don't know how to say it in English, to consider the news too much. We need setups in the market. Okay, we have news, we did the overview. Let's go and see what we have on lower time frame. Hey, on lower time frame on Bitcoin, 1 hour, 4 hour chart, you can see we have the pump chaser zone. I don't think we are in a strong bull market on 4 hour chart, 1 hour chart to pay too much attention on the pump chaser zone. But let's see what we can get here. So we have a location, kind of, and on 1 hour we have a small W here. Now you can see pump chaser zone in a W. Bullish divergence trying to form here on RSI. Bullish divergence trying to form here on MACD. Not too many things we can say about OBV. It's just following the price action. But if someone wants immediately to frame a trade, well, you kind of have a W here. It's there. Let's paper trade it for the moment. I'll be honest, I took the trade in the market. I don't like the equal lows here, but it's a scalp. No scalp. It's a day trade for me. I think Monday we can bounce a little bit. Let's say a 3-1 for me will be acceptable to take the profit off, at least to close 50% and trail the rest. We have a W, so when I see a W close to 50% in a pump chaser zone, some bullish divergence, why not? Low risk, 0.5, but that's my thinking. On 4-hour chart, we don't have too many things to say. You can see nice bounce here, nice EM here, SFU, short reload zone, everything was saying lower. Well, you can see the result. But now to think lower here, yeah, we can think that the market will go in the long reload zone, but to short we don't have a good area. Now let's just change a little bit to long reload zone. Well, look left. To short here, I don't think it's a good idea. Just my 2 cents. Let's put back the pump chaser zone, and let's take a look at the altcoins 4-hour chart. I think it's okay. Now IEVO, it's at 78.6. I hoped for a bounce here, for a pump, for some W's. We had some W's, but nothing important. On 1-hour chart we had something. Location, but nothing more than that. We need at least a 4-hour clear W to think long on IEVO and the rest. Alt, similar, we are at 78.6, so if last week we are waiting for market to go in the long reload zone, now we have the location, we are at 78.6. Now we can think about some structure, because location, indicator confirmation, you can see bullish divergence forming here, okay, the second reason, and now we need a W. Let's wait for that 4-hour daily W in the long reload zone, and we can become aggressively long. Until then, let's wait. Okay. Bitcoin we talked about. CRV. Yeah, I have this one waiting in the market from a long time ago. It's a bit stronger than the rest, that I could play this one. I'm waiting, patiently waiting for a fill. Dimension, location, nothing more than that. E-gold, well, we lost 50% here. You can see we are trying to accept lower. So, long reload zone. If we'll see a location, then we can think about Ethereum. Well, ugly here. Let's zoom a little bit. That's the weekend price action. Now you can see not too many things we can do here. Managed to put a short, managed to put a long, low risk here. Made some small amount of money. It's weak here. You can see this now. You can consider it a YAM. Now, up, down, up again in the short reload zone here, and we accepted below the weak lows, and we close below. If in short term on 1-hour chart we can bounce back up a little bit to retest this candle, on 4-hour chart I could see this one pushing lower. Pushing lower, how low? Well, let's see. Come on. I'll clean it up a little bit, just a little bit. Well, in the long reload zone here, maybe we can attack this low today, because the US is closed and we can have fuckery. I could see 2,300 tested here. Why not? Okay, FET. No, FET, I'll wait. Now you can see was strong here, aiming out. I'll wait in the long reload zone. I'll wait again at $1 and below. This one was stronger than the rest until it wasn't. You can see the YAM and you can see what happened. Slowly bleeding in the long reload zone. Probably bullish divergence. Yeah, we have some. So A lot of altcoins have this potential general setup here. Location, indicator, confirmation, but we don't have W's for the moment. We need to wait for the W's. I know, guys, it's hard to open the chart, open the Binance account and wait. But we are here to make money. We are not here to be in a trade all the time. So if I don't see a setup, I'll stay out. It's that simple. Okay, so similar with everything else, ING, we have location and indicator confirmation for the moment. Joe was a bit stronger than the rest, and now we'll come back in the long reload zone probably. Manta 78.6, good location to wait, good location to hunt W's. Let's wait for the W's. Pixel, similar. Byte, similar. Solana, similar. No? So on Solana, we are officially below 61.8 if we think this range, but we need W's. You can see bullish divergence. Okay, the market is not so weak that we think. Give me a W and I could think long. Ton. Yeah, on ton, I'm waiting in the long reload zone, patiently waiting here and lower. Like I said multiple times, I'm not expecting this one to drop like a rock. No, a lot of people are still hoping. Moon boys are still holding this one. I don't think it's a good idea for us to get long here, but I know the moon boys. Just say something wrong, something ugly, not wrong, something ugly about ton and you'll see the reaction. That means they are long and they are still hoping for the moon. I don't want to say more than that. What will happen next? I'll patiently wait in the long reload zone, wait for W's. I'll start dollar cost averaging below $2. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Who are members that are here more than 1 year know that. And the road to financial freedom, I said multiple times. A bit of patience. Let's put the limit order and let's wait, because usually we get that level. I'm saying again, let's be patient. Don't buy ton at $5. If you have some ton, don't sell it. Yeah? If you bought some ton, or if you are dollar cost averaging ton, I'm not saying to sell it. I bought some ton in this ugly environment for the long run, and I bought a little bit and another little position, and I said, well, it's enough. Let's wait for good location. I have some exposure, but not too much. I'll load up. I don't know. At $2 will be the best level. Okay. Tron. Well, I don't know if we'll break down here. Could go sideways, could push higher. Justin Sun is bullish, posting 100 times better than the other guy. You know what I mean, no? Vitalik has, he said that he should post more, but that's it. It's enough. He decided we'll go back to do something else. Instead, Justin Sun didn't say anything, but he's posting every fucking day. And he said last time that he will lower the fees for his meme coin part on Tron. So, lowering the fees for Tron. You should have some Tron from lower. Now it's not a good area to buy it. Could become something big? I don't know. Probably. Tron, it's a good network. I'm using Tron every time I'm, I don't know, buying or selling something. Usually I prefer to move USDT on Tron network. It's pretty reliable. Justin Sun never had problems, so you saw that in the chart. Yeah, Tron was holding really nice, but I'll not chase here. If Bitcoin will go down, 1 second, okay, I'll wait here in the long reload zone. Look left, at least this long reload zone. Yeah, so I'm not chasing here. But in the same time, I'm not shorting Tron here. I don't want to. You know, I'm not a shorting fan in 2024. Well, we can go on the other list, and I have all the coins from Binance, similar. A lot of them, they are looking similar. You can go and take it one by one, and you can see even on higher time frame we have location. Everything looks nice for dollar cost average. It's up to you guys. Don't touch this one here. Wait for you can see what happens after a pump. Pump and look what happens. So don't chase this one here. The entire list looks kind of similar with small exceptions. Good location, potential divergence, but we should wait a little bit more. Okay, let's take a look. Someone asked about CHR. Well, why not? CHR, I don't know the time frame, but I'll take a look at a higher time frame. Binance daily. Well, on this one, you had the daily W breakout, and you are retesting that level. I don't know if you want a trade. If you want a trade, I'll tell you on daily what you can do. You can see the long reload zone here. And looking left, you have some support here. Wait for another W here. And exactly like here, if you'll see another W here, you can play. Pretty simple. Bounce, wait in the long reload zone. You have location, wait for indicator confirmation, starting to form here on lower time frame, maybe 4-hour chart, and you can play. If you instead you want on higher time frame, on weekly basis, good level to start dollar cost average. But I don't see a proper setup here. I don't see a new setup. I don't see anything special, but was behaving really nice. Why? We had the weekly W, really nice one here. Really nice push to the upside, and now we are bleeding back down to retest the levels. So, okay to dollar cost average. Well, you had, because I'll tell you why you should have if you are following us. We are at 78.6. It's okay to start buying if you are dollar cost averaging, or if you are interested in this one. This is the low, this is the high. You had 61.8. I don't recommend 61.8 in altcoins. No, I recommend 78.6 and 88.6. And I probably told you, if you hear from us, that you should start paying attention at 78.6. And if you take the lower time frame, you have another area here. On weekly basis, I don't see a weekly W. We need a bit longer and smaller as a range W, kind of like this one, a long one, 2 months or 1 month at least, not too aggressive, and that probably will give us another opportunity to hunt long setups. For the moment, it's just cooling off here and needs to slow down. The volatility has to come out, and then to start over again. Not a bad location to start dollar cost averaging on this one. Well, if you have more requests, please ask. If not, we can call it a live stream, and we can I don't know, go and try to scalp today. But because the US is closed, I don't know, could be ugly. We have an ugly behavior usually every Monday, but today, because the US is closed, we can have even uglier behavior or lower volatility. Who knows? So, this one, okay to dollar cost average. On Twitter, well, let's look at Twitter at the end. I don't see too many things, new things here. People are just shit posting, because it's exactly how we should call what we see on Twitter lately. Moon boys are scared. They are waiting on the sidelines. They are waiting for a bounce to post, okay, let's buy some, or you bought the deep anon and things like that. Yeah? They are in the waiting mode now, and we should pay attention. Altcoins have some potential here to form something on daily chart. Not ready yet, not exactly a clear setup, but they can form something nice. Okay, I blabbed away half an hour. Not too many things, new things I could say. So let's close the live stream and let's start hunting some lower time frame setups. At the end, I want to tell you that we started the Kappa 1 program already. We are in the week 1. If we have people interested in joining, the registration is still open. For a short period of time, we are still open. It's up to you. If you have friends, bring them here and we'll teach them how to swing trade. Okay guys, let's call it a live stream. See you next time. Bye bye.